Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best ultra-short throw projectors on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Samsung Premier LSP9 Tesla. Samsung made a significant comeback in the home cinema projector market with the Premier LSP9 Tesla, marking over a decade since its last projector release. This ultra-short throw projector utilizes 4K HDR laser projection, featuring a 3-color laser that eliminates the need for a color filter. With a brightness of 2,800 lumens, the Premier can create an impressive 130-inch image, delivering pinchy and colorful pictures. This support for the HDR10+ format allows for scene-by-scene picture calibration in compatible content. The projector benefits from Samsung's Smart TV operating system, providing a seamless user experience, although some users reported occasional sluggishness. The Premier LSP9 Tesla also comes with a built-in sound system that impresses with its accurate placement of dialogue and effects within an elevated sound stage. Number 2. Hisense PX1 Pro. The Hisense PX1 Pro stands out as a noteworthy ultra-short throw UST projector, offering a compelling combination of features and performance in its price range. Despite its compact size, this UST projector can project a 90 to 130-inch picture using a triple laser light source. With a brightness of 2,200 lumens, the PX1 Pro strikes a balance between brightness and color accuracy, utilizing 3 lasers for red, green, and blue. While the built-in speakers provide a functional audio solution, external sound systems like a soundbar can offer a superior audio experience. To optimize its performance, pairing the PX1 Pro with an ambient light-rejecting screen is recommended. The projector's competitive pricing makes it an attractive option, allowing users to save money without compromising on key features. Number 3. LG Sunbeam HU 915QE. The LG Sunbeam HU 915QE stands out as a high-quality ultra-short throw UST projector. Though its price tag of $5,999/$9,999, approximately £5,600, places it in the premium category. Despite the hefty cost, the projector delivers an exceptional viewing experience, providing a massive 90 to 120-inch picture that is bright and rich in colors. The projector's brightness is noteworthy, making it suitable for daytime viewing, and it performs exceptionally well with a modest amount of ambient light control. Equipped with powerful speakers, LG's WeBoss Smart TV system, and the convenience of a manual focus wheel, the HU 915QE offers a feature-rich package. Number 4. LG HU 85LA Sunbeam. LG's Sunbeam projector offers an impressive large display from just a short distance, accompanied by a sleek rectangular design. The projector's picture quality is commendable, although external speakers may enhance the audio experience due to a lack of detail in high frequencies and a desire for more low-end thump. Utilizing LG's WeBoss, the projector features an intuitive smart interface that mirrors the company's TVs. The Magic Remote facilitates easy control, and the WeBoss platform provides access to various streaming services and additional features through the gallery. The projector also supports voice controls, enabling users to navigate apps, adjust volume, and more using the remote's built-in microphone. With integration of Google Assistant, LG Sunbeam adds smart functionality, allowing users to control not only the projector, but also other connected smart home devices within the Google ecosystem. Number 5. Epson Epic Vision Ultra LS800. The Epson LS800, equipped with laser-lit 3 LCD technology, stands out among the myriad UST projectors vying for a title of the best projector. Priced at $3,499/$3,199, approximately off $5,240, this Epson model impresses with its delivery of 4,000 lumens of brightness, ensuring optimal viewing even in daytime conditions without the need for extensive blackout measures. While lacking ERC support and a broader color gamut, the Epson LS800 compensates by providing a user-friendly experience throughout the day. Its solid performance, coupled with the advantages of laser-lit 3 LCD technology, makes it a noteworthy choice in the UST projector market. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.